Excuse me? Yes, please. How can I help you? Can I have water, please? Of course, sparkling or still water? Sparkling and still. Okay, still water, please. Here we go. Thank you. You see? It's like your headphones? No, not for listening. I need one that's very loud. Oh, earplugs. Yay! Yes, earplugs. Thank you. Can I have a mask? Here you are. No. Not that mask. First. Oh, sleeping mask. Thank you, so kind.
It was very cold.
I have a blanket right here for you. Sweet dreams.